So I'm about to show off just now. Okay, so you go over here. You would use your decoys wisely. And then you click through this door. Which I'm just terrible at doing. Wait, what is up there? Yes. You go up here, and then you glide over here. I switch back to the helipad. You go down here. Wait for the elevator, of course. And then you charge for the bolt. And then you just commit suicide. Then when you commit suicide, you can press this button. You can zoom along. You can make sure you don't get hit. That bit's important. And then you go up. Then you go on top of this and place a decoy. The enemies won't shoot you if you do that. And then you kill this guy. And this is how you do this glitch. First, you've got to align yourself for that liney thingy, that which I'm pointing to. Once you do that, you've got to charge and do one of those things. Oh my god, I am underneath here. And once you get through, you need to swing-shot your way to the top, get the bolt that's up there, and talk to Fizz Widget. It's really simple, really. And it saves a ton of time.